I'm Steve Nelson with another Caltrans News Flash. 2 striping projects in the Sacramento area included installing 65 route shields on the roadway to help motorists navigate the busy freeway network. Let's take a closer look at how they were installed and what they look like.
These route shield pavement markers make it easier for motorists to know the proper lane to be in when approaching an interchange.
It looks like it's going to make it a little bit easier to find your exit and kind of plan ahead so you're not zipping across lanes. Yeah, I think anything that helps people plan ahead and make smarter decisions on the road is good for everybody that's out there.
Well, I'm from Sacramento, and one thing I did notice them as soon as they were put out because I'm from Sacramento. And I thought, big city, Sacramento, little city, becoming a big city, helping people know that when they get here, this is where you got to go if you're lost, or this is your exit. I think it's helpful.
They improve safety by giving motorists advance notice so they will be less likely to move erratically to change lanes at the last second.
Striping projects like these are an example of how Senate Bill 1 is helping make roadways all across California safer for motorists. With another Caltrans News Flash, I'm Steve Nelson.